Hello, my name is Michelle Bebber, and I am a graduate student here in the anthropology department at Kent State. My focus is experimental archaeology. I am currently working on a research project for my master's thesis, and I am studying prehistoric ceramics and change over time in the Ohio region. So in order to do this, I decided to make some experimental samples, and I wanted to do it the same way it was done in the past. So I started by studying our archaeological collections here and looking at the different constituents of the pottery from ancient times. So to make my samples as accurate as possible, I decided to go down to the Scioto River Valley and dig clay out of the riverbank. And the goal was to process it in the same way as the Native Americans did thousands of years ago. So I was able to refine the clay and add different additives to it to see what type of effect that might be having on prehistoric pottery. So after I processed my clay, I was able to make it into experimental samples. I made test samples that are approximately 1 centimeter square by 12 centimeters long, and the goal of this is to test them using this 4-point bend machine, which will give me measurements of strength. So by doing that, I will be able to determine if different types of clay and different types of additives can make a better piece of pottery. And this could possibly explain what people were doing in the past and why they changed their manufacturing processes over time. So once I'm done analyzing my data, hopefully this will be a published article, and it will be very informative about why people were doing the things that they did in the past for pottery manufacture.